Hi friends, welcome back. Happy Thursday. I'm Miss Alex with Kidventures, and today we'll be making homemade cleaning wipes. So first, in your brown bag, you should have tissues, vinegar. Be careful though because it has a strong and interesting smell, so you would need your parent, your mommy or daddy to help open it. From home, you need a bowl, handy dandy spoon, Ziploc bag to put your wipes in, or you can reuse a wiping bag. Essential oils, it could be peppermint, chamomile, lavender. I will be using lavender today because that's my favorite. And some water. So first things first, we're going to add our ingredients, mix them up. Your vinegar, essential oil, and water. Half of your vinegar, and be careful, do this with the parent, please. I'm adding 2 drops of my lavender. 1, 2, and water. I would say about half of your little cup. So you grab your spoon, mix, 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 mix. Make sure you get it all mixed kind of around there. Okay. So next, we're gonna grab our tissues, put them in your Ziploc bag. This. Then we're gonna grab our bowl. Be careful, have moms and dads help you. Pour it into you. And close. Make sure all the air is out. Now we're gonna shake, 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 get it everywhere. Should look something like this. I think my wipes are ready. You can use these on your tables, doorknobs, your toys. You can clean your toys. It smells so good. There we go. I'm gonna put this one back in. Just to save. Alright, so we're gonna clean the table here. Okay. Goodbye, germs. See? I'm gonna throw it away. Close, reuse, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.